Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to put bands on a Charge 2. So you'll get your replacement bands if you buy them at joesge.com. They'll come in a package like this, and they'll come folded up like this. So pull it right out. There's going to be a clasp that lets you readjust the arm width. So how you determine which way to put it on is if wherever your time is at, you always put the band with the clasp on top where the time is at, pointing straight up. Clip that in there, clip the other one down, and then that's how it goes. And how to take it off is you simply press the buttons, comes right off. Press the button down there, comes right off. And that is how you replace bands on a Charge 2. Thanks for watching, guys.